Melody, and from 1A12, and I'm running for president. I guess I'm running for president because I honestly, genuinely really like drama. And I was in drama in secondary school, and I'm in drama now, I'm TSD now. And I'm really involved in drama, and then from the beginning, you know, I was in drama night, and I was in SNL. I know you probably don't really know, some of you don't really know me because I have been acting instead of doing the directing and stuff, but it's because I really like the feeling of being on stage. It's like, you know, when you're acting, it's like, yeah, okay. I just really like the feeling when you're on stage and you're acting and it's just yeah. And actually, some of you may not know this, but I actually DSA'd into SOTA, the School of the Arts, for theatre, and I experienced a lot of things there. And I actually left for personal reasons, but as in the fact that I did get into SOTA, you know. I know, but as in, you know, that I was actually willing to go into art school for my passion. You know, it shows something. And I came to VJ because of TSD and because of drama. Because, you know, I heard a lot about VJ drama, I heard a lot about the theatre program here. And so I guess what I have to give to the club is really my passion, because yeah, I just really love drama. I don't know how to say it, I just really love it, yeah. Well, in my secondary school, I was actually president of my drama club, and I was in charge of running the programs in the CCA, and it's actually really different here for me. So, and actually, I'm kind of sad about the drama club here also, because we don't really meet for meetings apart from preparing for performances, honestly. And it's very different from my secondary school, where we met like twice a week, and we had training sessions, and we had bonding sessions, and we were really tight, and all of us were really passionate about drama, and that's what I really want to have here in VJ. I want the experience of belonging to a drama club where you can you can meet these people and you know them so well, and you're really comfortable to be yourself, to just go crazy, because drama is all about being big, about just tossing everything out the window and being yourself, and that's what I really like. Like every time I stepped into my theatre, drama, CCA room, I just felt like I can release all my, all my schoolwork, everything, it's just gone. It's just me and acting, just me and drama. And I guess I really want to cultivate that sort of club where everyone really loves being there instead of being forced and dragged there and like, oh, it's just another CCA, or it's just my second CCA, I don't really like that. I really hope that all of you, I really want a club that really loves drama, yeah. And I actually think that we also should meet outside performances, because we do need training as well, as in the sense of, in terms of acting, in terms of even directing, in terms of, I don't know, vocal training, because, we, as actors, there's a lot of things that we need to cover as well. So, yeah, that's what I really want to do as well. And I guess I really didn't plan much, as in Priscilla's amazing, she plans so much. I cannot think this far, but I really want to put up more performances, because I really like performing. And I mean, you could try musicals, I don't know, collaborate with choir, I don't know. That's what my secondary school did. It's quite fun, actually. Musicals are fun. Yeah. I don't really have anything much to say left, but vote for me if you want me for president. And yeah, as Priscilla said, vote wisely. Yeah. So I'm Melody.